Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be recreating a video called Noah's Toy Review, the Iron Giant, which has currently 333 views. And you guys can't see my face right now, so hello. 1 second. Back. So yes, I'm in Grim Reaper, and I'm gonna be recreating the video, the Iron Giant. So we have the iconic Iron Giant right here, and we're going to be recreating it. And did I ever say Happy Halloween? Okay, so what you basically have to do, this chest middle, if you open this up, you can see there's a crack, so you can, gloves. So you can open that up, and you can see there's another one, which brings you up to here. Hold on, okay. And then, you see, you just click this. Okay, close it. Yeah. Okay. So next we have another feature where stand it like this, then and you see this little middle thingy, like a belt in there. You click it, and then you can see he's walking. So yeah, and he's waving hi, and he's waving subscribe and turn notifications on. So what are you waiting for? Do it. And yeah, happy Halloween. I'll see you guys next time. Share the love.